ओके सचिन बाबा आज कितल्या जाणांनी फॉर्म भरला तुमचं?
Yesterday, we Ponjekars have filed 15 candidates. Today the balance 15 have filed. Nelson Cabral is the last who is going to file for ward number 1.
ओके सो ऑलमोस्ट 30 out of 30 what you have said झाले सगळे.
And if you see here, all are young faces.
ओके
Right from here to Selvin, here, all are young faces.
Okay. So like yesterday you had said we have come here for to give good development and everything. You still maintain on how you would see that? Because तुझ्या इथून की युथूय असा कितले असा?
Huh?
We can see it's a mix of blend for as far as candidates is
No,
concerned.
there's no question, a mix.
All committed people.
All committed people for the development, people of the city. As we have said, that there is no political panel. It is a citizen panel of we Ponjekars, backed by all the political parties, who feel that the city of Panjim, which is deteriorating, we should save it. That's why they all political parties said, okay, no political parties will all join this We Ponjekar panel, and you will be surprised to see the underground current which is going on for our panel.
जवळजवळ 3 महिन्या पयलीं आमी एक्सरसाइज चालू केल्ली, एक टीम फॉर्म केल्ली आनी आमी लोकां मदीं गेल्ले, लोकांची सजेशनां घेतिल्ली, लोकांक विचारलें तुमकां कितें जाय आनी चडशा लोकांनी आमकां सांगलें की आमकां पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज नाका, आमी एक सिटिजन्स पॅनल फॉर्म करुया आनी थंयच्यान आमची एक्सरसाइज सुरू जाली. आमी सुरेन बाबाक मेळ्ळे, वाल्मिकीक मेळ्ळे, तशेंच आमी वेगळे वेगळे प्रॉमिनंट सिटिजन्सांक मेळ्ळे आनी तांणी आमकां सांगलें का दिस टायम वी वील फॉर्म अ सिटिजन्स पॅनल. म्हाका दिसता दीस इज द फर्स्ट टायम इन द लास्ट 15 years तुमी पळयलां आसतलें. ऑन द वन सायड बाबूश आपलो पॅनल घालतालो, ऑन द अदर सायड भारतीय जनता पार्टी आपली पॅनल घालताली. आतां ते दोगूय जाण एक जाल्यात आनी कोण कंट्रोल करता कोणाक खबर ना आनी त्या हांकां एक ऑपोजिशन दिवपाक लागून आमी एक फॉर्म केल्लो आसा.
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ना म्हणटा सगळे पॉलिटिशियन
ना, वी हॅव कम हियर एज सिटिजन्स ऑफ पंजीम. इंडिव्हिज्युअली वी विल बी एफिलिएटेड.
बट दे आर ऑल द पॉलिटिशियन.
Every individual is
backing us. There are lot of people from different political parties are backing us.
आमचे स्क्रीनिंग कमिटीन स्क्रीन केल्ले आसा प्रत्येक कॅन्डिडेटाक.
Everybody is there.
आता तुम्ही पळया प्रॉमिनंट
तुम्ही स्क्रीन करता असताना त्यांचे पॉलिटिकल बॅकग्राऊंड बापयना.
एव्हरीबडी हॅज सम. प्रत्येक पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन कोण तरी बरे असतले कोण तरी वाईट असतले. इफ वी आर नॉट सेइंग एव्हरीबडी इन अन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज बॅड. एव्हरी पार्टी हॅज गॉट गुड पीपल. We have screened good people here. Our panel is full of good people.
Some of the politicians, like some of the former councillors who have not got ticket in BJP panel, supported panel, have filed any nominations independent. Are you all supporting them also?
No, we have
Independent.
We have all
We got
list of
all
30,
all 30 we got.
except for one which we have extended support to Rekha Kande. We have filed in every ward. And we have
Rupesh,
got- we are
what
gaining
about
good
Rupesh
support.
now? Rupesh Shalankar.
No, आमचा candidate असा काही.
We already put again.
We have got candidates in those wards.
Okay. fine.
No, yesterday you announced that you will be giving free
No.
pay parking.
Yesterday I announced.
Free parking.
Yesterday I announced
You
two
eliminate,
issues.
yeah, eliminate.
That there will
Parking.
be parking
No,
fees only for tourist cars
Yeah.
and buses.
yeah,
Panjimite will not pay anything.
correct.
Number
And
one.
50%
Number
concession.
two, we said we will make 50%
Concession.
concession for house tax and trade license.
Now what more else you are?
These are the two first things we have told you.
घडत दीस रावा आमचो फुल फ्लेज मॅनिफेस्टो. तुम्ही मॅनिफेस्टो पळोवन सरप्राईज जातले. ज्यो ज्यो गजाली केन्नाच
in
मेन्शन करू ना.
CCP there is a lot of if you say how we will recover the 50%, there are a lot of ways in CCP where we can recover. You see,
Suren Babu, if you can recover, then what was the reason for you all not to recover that electricity dues from Panjim market where CCP had to pay?
those who is heading the panel?
Heading the panel, तुम्ही councillor
No.
ना.
There is a lot of pressure, you know that. We will see to it that is done. You know, I always fought.
Panjim market म्हणून मागीर कितें जालें?
I trade when I was the mayor, I did the vetting of the lease agreement. I did the bylaws. I did so many other things we did, but nothing has come so far.
Okay.
Everything is sanctioned by the government.
During your tenure as a mayor, lot of work was kept pending due to paucity of funds.
Which
Lot of works were kept
you
pending.
will appreciate.
Yeah.
I brought 11 trucks without taking 1 rupee from the CCP coffers. I did up the entire office of CCP to public sponsorship. Did not touch the thing. I brought hers when to public fund. Did not touch CCP.
CSR.
And then one day CCP office could have been burned. I did up the entire thing, new wiring to the PWD.
Water supply pipeline also.
72 crores water supply pipeline where people are getting 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening. This scheme was under JNNRM scheme.
सो तुम्ही केला तशें ह्या आदल्या मेयरान कांयच करूंक ना.
I'm not saying that.
I'm just asking.
What I'm saying is, whatever has been brought now, those 8 trucks, when I was the mayor, as I told you yesterday, the 14 Finance Commission chairman and the members we met in Sitadugo. That time, late Mr. Manoj Bargar was the chief minister. And I told the chairman, these are the 5-volume books of Panjim, written by Vasco Pino. I said, this is what Panjim was, and I'm submitting my proposal what Panjim should be now. We asked for some 13,000 crores, which they've given only few crores. From that, whatever I had submitted, that crores which has come, this they have brought the truck from that, not from CCP fund.
So once election results come out, what is the confidence you would like to give to your voters or to your people supporters, saying that फाल्यां बाबा ह्या जिखून येयले जाल्यार तांकां सपोर्ट करचे ना.
Nobody. If तशें जालें जाल्यार तेजे पॅनलार बसपाचें.
So पूण एका टायमार तुमी एकठांय जाल्ले न्हू तशेंच आनी मेयर जाल्ले न्हू.
तुका सांगलें मेयर कसो जालो तेजे 16 आसले.
हय
2 जाण तेजे फुटले. म्हणून वैदेही नायक मेयर जाल्ली. करेक्ट न्हू. तुका उगड आसा ना तें. मागीर आमकां रिक्वेस्ट केलें चल आनी आमी म्हणलें कित्याक झगडपाचें बी आमी 2 केले.
सो हे फावट तशें रिक्वेस्ट केलें जाल्यार तुमचें कोण वयचें ना.
कितें
He was
पळयलें
independent. He
No,
was
I
not
was
in a
correct.
I was not in a panel. I was
He was
independent.
independent.
तेन्ना पार्टी नासली न्हू.
ना आशिल्ले बीजेपी पॅनल घाल्लो आणि
People have high hopes
he had gone
about
as an
you
Yes.
and your panel.
Yes.
So what are you going to give them once you get elected? Immediate.
Our manifesto will be announced shortly.
See,
Then please help this.
all the time he
Major
also
issue
saying,
already press
he is also saying manifesto.
Yeah.
Manifesto comes before
manifesto-
the election, not after the election.
If manifesto is announced, then why announce 2 things then?
No.
ते manifesto न्हू घाल म्हणपाचें
Major
मतां.
points. Because
And
we
we have
don't
also
do announce everything. So they will go. It will cut and copy paste with the other group.
ते तुमचे फेस करताले म्हणटा तूं.
Right.
मागीर इम्प्लिमेंट सगळे बराबर करताले.
People of
Let
Panjim,
him also see.
yeah, people of Panjim, rest assured, we will give them justice. We all will work for the city. We will never compromise on the health, on the sanitation, on the garbage issue, on the roads, on the drainage, electricity, all these things. And I want to tell you, whatever development has taken place from indoor stadium till Miramar Beach, that was my baby from my ward. Urban Development Ministry had given 12 crores, and Mr. BJP MLA Kondam, Siddharth Konkalkar
Siddharth.
was the MLA then. It started from there. I got everything in black and white if you come. So nobody can take the credit that they developed Miramar.
You know what I'm saying? So many.
Also, I want to tell you, all of you all, today the work which is going on in Hindu crematorium and Muslim burial, when I was the mayor, 16 crores were brought and it was standard. Then I was not there. So now they're taking the credit, no problem. May everybody's soul rest in peace. But it is done. I've shown you all my media friends have shown you all the
पूण
presentation.
सुरेश बाब तूं आनी बाबूश एकठांय जावनूच केल्लें न्ही हें तुमी.
कितें?
हे डेव्हलपमेंट कितें हाडलें पळय
No,
तें.
no, no, no.
तुवें एकल्यानूच केल्लें ताणें काय करूंक
No,
ना.
I am not, because he was not MLA of Panjim.
No, but his panel had supported you as a mayor, no?
Correct. So, but I use my brain.
They did not use their brain.
How? Let me ask you last question. See, Panjim has been flooding for the last several decades. You can say.
Yes.
Near on Indian Road, Mala, near Ban, our friend Kenny Hotel, Kenny Petrol Pump, and Miramar.
Yes. Yes.
So, how long will you take this to improve this?
I am speaking as a civil engineer who has studied drainage and stormwater management for 8 years in USA. अमेरिकेक हांव सिव्हिल इंजिनियरींग आनी स्टॉर्म वॉटर मॅनेजमेंट शिकून आयिल्लो आसा. म्हाका दर पावसान ताचो सोल्युशन कितें तो दिसता, पूण तो करपाक कोणाची इच्छा ना, टायम ना. प्रॉब्लम्स फ्लडिंगूच न्ही भरपूर आसा, प्रॉब्लम्स तेच आसा. दर इलेक्शनाक तेच प्रॉब्लम मंत्र कशे जपिल्ले जाता. आमी पणजेकारांक इतलेच प्रॉमिस करूंक सोदता की प्रॉब्लम जे इतले वर्सां आमी आयकलां सगळें, फ्लडींग जावं, गार्बेज जावं, सांतिनेज क्रीक जावं, पार्किंग जावं, ट्रॅफिक जावं, हाजे 5 वर्सान हे पॅनल सगळे सॉल्व करतले. वी आर कम हियर टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स. आमी हांगा कोण आपले पॉलिटिकल फॉर्च्युन्स बेक करपाक येवना. आमी हांगा पणजेचे बरें जातले म्हणून सगळे पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन सायडीक दवरून सगळे बरोबर आयिल्ले आसा. सो आर ओनली प्रॉमिस इज दॅट whatever manifesto we issue, that manifesto will be completed in the next 5 years, and in next election we will provide a fresh manifesto to take Panaji to the next level. Today we are still stuck in garbage, stuck in flooding, stuck in parking. All those issues will be solved in the next 5 years. Secondly, there is a problem of funds. That is absolutely wrong. There is ample funds. Those funds are mismanaged. Those funds are looted. Ata not just CCP funds, you have smart city funds. There are many people who, if they see ki baba Panajeन कोण तरी बरें करपाक आयला जाल्यार there will be private persons, supporters of Panjim, CSR funds will be available. People will be ready to make the capital city of Goa the most beautiful city in the whole country. So there is no shortage of funds. We just need good people to manage those funds and finish the work. That is what we will do.
Projects like shuttle market, Mala Lake, Twin Bridge, compile the trekking what do you call path.
The
All
problem
these
is
are pending for years
exactly because majority of the commission has already been taken, and that is why there is no interest left. There are many such projects, not just in Panjim but all over Goa also. But Panjim specifically, there are many projects that need to be completed. We will complete those as well as solve all the other problems that I just spoke to you about and that we have been only hearing about in all the elections. So that is our promise.
now.
Thank you.
Thanks,